Hello everybody, this is MSRNDA 2017, and for the first time in about 5 months, I'd say, we've gotten a severe thunderstorm watch. I don't know if you can see that. I'm using the camera on my iPad because I'm trying to save space on my phone for good alerts for stuff like if, God forbid, a tornado watch is issued. Okay, but, well, if a tornado watch is issued or something, I want to try to save space for that. So, yeah. I'm I'm recording at 720p, which is the maximum you can get on an LTE network. Maximum you can watch YouTube videos on. Yeah. Severe thunderstorm watch. Probably see that. Pick it up. And then WR120 and then WR100. So yeah, this didn't get the alert because the switch on the side wasn't on at the time. So yeah, the WR300 was the only one to get it. It expires at 12:13 a.m. So yeah, you know, as you see here, this table I have stuff set on is not that big, which means I'm going to need more space for stuff and for more radios as I get more. I could have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 radios on this table. That'll fit correctly and look like a decent setup. But also, I've cleared some space out on my bookshelf so I can put radios up there if I need to. The WR120 used to be up there. Up here, or actually right here. Before I decided to move to the alert desk. So, yeah. As a matter of fact, here's the box for the WR120 EZ, actually. It's actually WR120 EZ. See WR120 EZ? A box for a Midland WeatherMax Plus 74109, which I don't have, but when I know where it is. It's in a house that no one lives in, that my family owns, but no one lives in it. We just keep it, and we keep it up and stuff. So that's where that came from. Whether the radio's still there or not, I don't know. And then my ER310, which only comes out when Tornado Watch gets issued. So, yeah. So, yeah. So, yeah, that's Severe Thunderstorm Watch. And of course,
Oklahoma and the parts of northern Texas. Get graphics and more details at weather.gov/Norman.
So, yeah. If and when I get more alerts, then I'll let you know. Or I'll film. By the way, this is, I don't know if you heard in the background from the WR100. This is Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 360. Which is actually pretty cool because, 360 degrees is all around. Up, down, left, right stuff. So, yeah, it's kind of unique. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, and that'll be it.